Hello everyone. Next we are moving ahead. Here we are making a cute bunny. First we are making the face of the bunny followed by the long ears, and then we're gonna move ahead to the body. Here we are making clothes on the body. After that we are giving it a magic stick in our hands, and then we're gonna draw the wings, and you can see your cute little rabbit is ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here by using different color sketch pens, we are making pig, rabbit and a cute little chicken. We're gonna draw the face structures from the markers only. Here we are using skin, blue and yellow color marker. Then we're gonna add details like eyes, nose and more. Then you can see your cute little drawings are ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making drawing of a pigeon. As you can see, starting with the feathers of the pigeon, we're gonna draw the body and beak, and you can see it's done. Thanks for watching.